Hi guys, Dave's here. Today we're going to change out a valve core in this tire here. It's leaking. I don't know if you can hear it on here. If you can hear it, it's barely leaking. So I think the valve core is where it's leaking at, because I put my finger over it, it stops. And I tried tightening it. What we're going to need is a little special tool here. It's a valve stem remover, and this end here is what we're going to be using. So what we do is going to stick this little end in here and turn it till it drops down. Then we just twist it out. Okay, to install the new one in there, this little plunger in here is going to be sticking out. This part's going to go in. So just make sure you got to go in the right direction. Stick it in there, then take your tool, I'm going to hand tighten it. Now let's put some air in. Okay guys, I've got it aired up. I do not hear a leak now. That's a good sign. So hopefully this fixes it. If this doesn't fix it, that's when you need to take it to the shop and let them change out the valve core stem. Install the little cap back on it. And as always, I hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching, guys.